Welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am going to be sharing with you a speed clean of the new house, and I believe this is the first speed cleaning video I've actually done since we've moved in. I have been trying so hard to keep on top of the load. We've obviously moved into a bigger house, which means there's more work, and of course this is not the biggest house you've ever seen, but going from what we had before and then moving to my mum's house and then moving here, it does feel like we've got a lot to do now, so I'm always having to keep on top of a routine, which I will be sharing with you really soon. But today I wanted to just go around the place. It's a bit of a tip. The kids have just gone off to nursery and for a nap, so it means that there's a bit of devastation left behind. And of course it's coming up to Christmas time as well, so I want to make sure this is like a Christmassy one. I'm going to put on some candles, I'm going to use some Christmas Flora, I'm going to put on some Magic Christmas on Google Home so that that's playing in the background. I'm going to make myself a festive drink as well, because I mean, come on, why not? First of all, I need to do a big pick up because there is just stuff everywhere. There's toys all over the living room, there's shoes just hanging around. And if you're a parent, then you'll know that just the endless washing cycle, oh my god, there's clothes everywhere. So things have got to go away, washings need to be put on, washings need to be hung up. There is just a lot to do. So I've got about 45 minutes before I need to think about leaving to pick Ella up from nursery again. So I'm going to see how much I can get done in that time, and also give you a little tour of the living room with all the Christmas decorations up and show you what that looks like just now as well. But before I start anything, the first thing I like to do when I start cleaning the house is go into the cupboard and take out my little IKEA storage box full of wax melts. Now I'm going to go ahead and use a couple of different ones. I've got some favourites from a company called Candle & Co that I use all the time. They remind me so much of my wedding day, but today I'm actually using some ones that I picked up from Home Bargains. So these ones here, oh my god, this one, the Air Pure Home Bacon, smells exactly like you have just been at it making cakes and cookies and Christmas cinnamon buns in the kitchen. It's so gorgeous, and that's ones that I got from Home Bargains. They were like £1, so I'm going to use one of them. They smell so good. I'm also going to use some of the Airwick Life Scents. I'm going to use that in the kitchen. And I've also got these ones here that are from Whitford & Co. Again, it's another Home Bargains one. They're the vanilla sugar cookies, but to be honest, they're not actually that strong. But I have got the vanilla sugar cookies little tea lights, so I'm going to light them. I'm going to get my wax melts cleaned out. Normally what I like to do is light the candle and then just put some cotton wool pads in the wax melt just to absorb the other stuff if it's kind of ran out of scent. But I'm just going to scoop it out this time for pure quickness. I'm going to do that first, get the wax melts on the go, get the Christmas songs on, and pour myself a cup of tea while I'm doing it all.
It was the night before Christmas. I was closing down for business in my little present shop, when the bell on the door jingled once more, and then time almost came to a stop. But somehow I knew, and maybe so did you, that everything would change from now on. Yes, from this Christmas on, this Christmas on. We forgot what you came for, and in the coffee shop just next door, we talked for hours on end, and somehow we knew that we'd find something true, and that everything would change from now on. Yes, from this Christmas on, this Christmas on, from this Christmas on, it's gonna be you and me decorating the tree from this Christmas on. From this Christmas on. From this Christmas on, it's gonna be you and me decorating the tree from this Christmas on, from this Christmas on.
And of course, if I had another 10 minutes yesterday and didn't have to leave to pick Ella up from nursery, then I would have managed to hoover and mop the floor as well. But real mum life here, I didn't manage to get that done yesterday, so I'm going to do it right now. And I've also cleaned down the bathroom yesterday once I'd sprayed it as well. So let's get hoovering. This always makes the biggest difference, especially the mopping of the floor as well, because we have a high gloss, shiny floor. So if I don't manage to get that done, you can really tell the place is still dirty. So I'm going to do that just now. I'm going to grab my Christmas Sephora of choice just now, which is, as you've seen, the orange and cranberry and orange Sephora, and it's amazing. So I'm going to fill up my spray mop and get to it.
Everyone knows that Christmas should be white. Bing Crosby got that right. Oh, but I'm in Copacabana, tanning up for Santa. But I'm getting on a plane, a boat, or a train. I'm setting a new course, bearing straight due north. Santa, hold on. Santa, hold on. I'm not gonna leave you hanging by yourself. Santa, hold on. Santa, hold on. I'm not gonna leave you alone with all them else. Hold on, Santa, I'm on my way. Let me tell you about old Saint Nick and me, as tight as can be. It's been that way forever. Guess we're shapes that go together. Everyone can use a little vacation, even if life on the North Pole is cool. But don't worry, my dear hubby, I'm making my way home to you. So Santa, hold on. Santa, hold on. I'm not gonna leave you hanging by yourself. Santa, hold on. Santa, hold on.
So that is us, a nice clean floor. That mop really does make such a big difference and it's so easy to use, so I'll leave that link in my description box below. I have only been using that mop. I don't have a steam mop at all. I just use the spray mop and I actually find it so easy. I just do it every single night and it makes the place look lovely and clean and shiny. So when that all dries up, it'll dry up nice and shiny. It also smells so Christmassy in here, I cannot even explain. I've got a nice clean tidy living room, the gorgeous girl in it. My hat's just sitting there from earlier, but yeah, nice and tidy. The window ledges are all nice and clean. I've dusted everywhere. The coffee table's clean. And the dogs have had a wash as well, so we're good to go. So guys, I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. We are now off to a Christmas pantomime and I'm really looking forward to it. Thank you so much for watching. If you're not subscribed, then please make sure you check out my channel and subscribe. And I'll see you on my next video. Bye!